it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very nice 2016 Suzuki GSX-S 1000F. This is Suzuki's full-size sport bike / sport touring. Has a 1000cc 4-cylinder engine, fuel injected, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title, California bike. Bike has 9,681 miles on the odometer. This bike is in very good condition with a lot of upgrades. This has ABS brakes, traction control, multi-mode rider position, aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket rear sets, frame sliders, engine covers, aftermarket windscreen. This bike has upright handlebars, makes it a lot more comfortable. Steering dampener. Bike is priced at only $79.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach out 408-730-0600.